How computers were invented. In this video, we will tell you about some of the great inventions of the computers. The invention and development of computers spanned several centuries and involved the contributions of numerous individuals and breakthroughs. Here is a detailed overview of the evolution of the computers. Stay tuned and watch till the end, and you will know about all the computers and its inventions and who are involved in it. Pre-computer mechanical devices 17th to 19th century. Blaise Pascal in 1642, a mechanical calculator designed by Blaise Pascal. The Pascaline could perform addition and subtraction through a series of gears. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz step O'Connor Leibniz created a machine that could perform multiplication and division through a series of stepped reckoner wheels. Charles Babbage, an analytical engine 19th century difference engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage designed the difference engine to automatically compute polynomial functions, although it was not fully constructed during his lifetime. A working model was later built. Analytical engine 1837. Babbage's analytical engine was a more advanced concept featuring an arithmetic logic unit, control flow, and memory. Ada Lovelace in 19th century. Ada Lovelace, an associate of Charles Babbage. Ada Lovelace is credited with writing the first algorithm intended for processing on a machine. Her work on the analytical engine included notes on the potential for creating music and art through the machine. It was the first algorithm written by Ada Lovelace, and he also contributed to analytical engine. Mechanical calculators and tabulating machines, late 19th, early 20th centuries. Hermann Horvath tabulating machine in 1890 used for processing data from the US Census. Horvath's machine employed punched cards to represent data, a concept that influenced later computing technologies. Mechanical and electromechanical calculators. Various inventors continued to develop mechanical devices for computation, such as the merchant calculator and the quarter calculator. Vacuum tube computers 1930s 1940s. Konrad Zuse Z3 1941. The Z3, created by German engineer Konrad Zuse, is considered the world's first electromechanical and programmable computer. Colossus 1944. Built in England during World War II, Colossus was the first electronic digital programmable computer designed to break German codes. ENIAC and early electronic computers 1940s. ENIAC 1946, developed in the United States. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was the first general-purpose electronic digital tech computer. It used vacuum tubes and punched card into input. This was the first electronic and numerical computer developed and invented. Transistors and mainframe computers 1950s to 1960s. Transistors. The invention of transistors in the 1950s allowed for smaller, more reliable and energy efficient computers. IBM 700 series 1952. IBM 700 series marked the era of mainframe computers, which were powerful and large machines used by businesses and institutions for data processing. Integrated circuits and microprocessors 1960s to 1970s. Integrated circuits ICs The development of integrated circuits in the 1960s allowed multiple transistors to be combined on a single chip. Microprocessors, the invention of microprocessors, a single chip CPU, marked a significant milestone. The Intel 4004 1971 is often considered the first microprocessor invented in the 19th century. Personal computers 1970s to 1980s. Altair 8800975. The Altair 8800, a build-it-yourself kit, is often credited with sparking the personal computer revolution. Apple I 1976 and Apple II 1977, developed by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. The Apple I and Apple II were influential in popularizing personal computer. Graphical user interface in modern PCs 1980s to 1990s. Xerox, Spark and GUI. Xerox Palo Alto Research Center Park developed the graphical user interface GUI with icons and a mouse, influencing later computer designs. IBM PC 1981. The IBM PC and its clones set industry standards for personal computers. These personal computers are now used a lot by many users around the world. Internet and networking 1980s to 1990s. ARPANET 1969, the precursor to Internet. ARPANET was the first network to use the TCP/IP protocol, which is now called as the IP address that is used by the Internet. And every house has a different IP address. If you are enjoying the video, kindly like and subscribe to our channel for more content. World Wide Web 1990. Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web, making information accessible through a system of interlinked documents. The World Wide Web, which is called as a Google, used as a search engine by many users around the world. This is used very nowadays and is an important thing for all the humans. Laptops, smartphones, and LOT, late 20th century and 21st century. Laptops, portable computers became more prevalent with the introduction of laptops. Smartphones, the integration of computing power into mobile phones revolutionized communication and computing. As you all know, smartphones are used all around the world and is the best and easiest way of communication. People can contact when they are miles away and kilometers away just in a few seconds and few minutes, and they can send various messages to their loved ones. Internet of Things IoT. The proliferation of connected devices marked the era of Internet of Things, where everyday objects are equipped with computing capabilities. So when you connect your computer mobile with an internet, so you can communicate with a person if he is even a kilometers or miles away from you in just few seconds, and you can send him messages and texts through emails, etc., or any apps that are available in the smartphones. The evolution of computers is a vast and intricate history with numerous contributors and technological advancements. This overview provides a broad perspective on the key milestones leading to the development of modern computers. Nowadays, there are invented many computers which are wireless, and along with mouses and keyboards which are also wireless, and some of the headsets. So all are used nowadays by many users. So if you like the video, kindly like it, share it, subscribe, and do comment.